Hey there, everybody, and as always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping in and hanging out for a few. So, today's title, a little bit of clickbait, but not quite clickbait. We still do have the Avata right here. However, yesterday we did go out to a client location, and at that client location, Jodi gave the Avata a really good try, and in the end, I think we've got another drone pilot here now. She'd never been interested in any of the other Mavics or any of the flights with this, but the DJI Avata caught her attention. She does like playing console games, and she said in flying this around, it reminded her of Fuzzy Flight School in Mario Party. So there you go. The handheld controller is a little different for me, of course. I'm used to the Mavic series and the controllers that come with them. But in this case, the new motion controller, it was a little odd to me, got a little seasick. Jodi gave it a whirl, and yesterday I actually went through 3 batteries at our client site. So what's coming up next is actually a compilation. It's a very quick edit that I just worked on this morning, but just to show you through some of the flight that was done yesterday with the Avata by Jodi. Okay, so as you can see, I still have some editing work to do, but I'd say that this was a pretty interesting first real tryout in the world. Now, the facility that we were at is a 60,000 square foot building that's got indoor roller hockey rinks, boxing, mixed martial arts, volleyball, and several other different sports for the youth of the area to come and utilize. Outside, they also have a BMX racetrack, as you saw, and they're putting in a new football field, and they're also putting together an RC car, a remote control car, racing track as well. So pretty cool. I think the Avata performed pretty well. One of the things that I did notice was that we were getting higher ISO, so a little more noise in the video. And that's because all the lighting wasn't fully on in there. When we were flying it outside, everything came across really nicely and it's looking pretty good. So first experiences, we'll be talking more about the Avata in upcoming videos here. But initial experience, a person who's not been a drone pilot, she is my visual observer. We do the photography side of things together, doing interior 360s and stuff. But for a person who'd never been interested in drone flight to give this a whirl with the VR goggles and really get going pretty quickly is very impressive. So she enjoyed the flights. We ran through our 3 batteries and we packed it up for the day. And she did say that she would have liked it if we had a couple more batteries to practice with a little more. So we'll be doing more flights with this. We'll be talking to you more about it. We're way late on the train when it comes to, new content about the Avata, but it's new to us. And we're also considering how we can incorporate this into our regular drone work for AZ Drone. All right, everybody, we'll see you again in an upcoming video. Hope you have a great start to the week.